Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook. Today, quick and easy, greasy greens. Have you ever had greasy greens? It's a truly southern dish. Other parts of the world they call it wilted salad, kilt salad, all different names for it. But it's where you put a hot vinaigrette over your early spring vegetables. It can be spinach, any kind of lettuce that you've got that's coming up early in the spring. So it's early in the spring here, so I thought I would fix this for you. I've been craving this. So as you see, I've got my bacon finished. I've got it on top of my salad. I've got hard-boiled eggs, chunks of sweet onion. There's lettuce, iceberg, and romaine lettuce. So what we're going to do here, we're going to make the dressing. A lot of recipes call for apple cider vinegar. My mother always used yellow mustard. We didn't have any fancy mustard. We didn't have any, I don't think I didn't have any brown mustard until I was probably out of high school. And there's no measurements on this. You kind of got to look and see how much bacon grease you got in there. Let's see here. That ought to be enough. You just want to stir that around a little bit. We always use Burr Rabbit syrup for the sweetener. You can put brown sugar in it. You can put regular sugar. I'm going to use Dr. Bill's cane and maple syrup Louisiana product. Not a lot, but just enough you offset the bite of the mustard. You know, like sweet and sour mustard, like honey mustard. You get the best of both worlds. Dr. Bill's is good stuff. All right. Stir this around a little bit. I'm going to put it back on the heat. And crank it up because I want it hot when I pour it over the top of this salad. Hence the name wilted salad or kilt salad. It kills it. It won't take long. It's coming up to temp quick. I say you can use apple cider vinegar. My mother just always used regular vinegar. All right. She's bubbling away. Let's get it poured on top. This is mouth-watering good stuff, boys and girls. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be about the perfect amount to go on here. Now, if you want to wilt it on down, you can put your salad in your skillet after you've finished. After you've made your dressing, throw it back in there and wilt it on down. But that's about it. I don't put any salt in it because the bacon's salty. I use black pepper. Good coating of that. And it's just that easy. The perfect salad with Bill E's bacon, Fairhope, Alabama, and Dr. Bill's syrup. He's outside of New Orleans. It's going to be great. Let me know if you've ever had a wilted salad like this. You can put nuts in it. You can take it all different directions. It's a perfect springtime salad. How about a bite of this wonderful salad? Oh, yeah, if you see my arm all bandaged up, it's what happens when an old dude falls on top of an alligator and he bites his arm. Well, not really, but it looks like that under the... I did fall. I fell in my bedroom, hit my office chair, and bunged up my knees. Both my knees are bad anyway, so I don't know if it messed them up or not. They're always painful. My arm is doing better. My knees are actually a little better today, so I'm walking around better. So life's tough when you get old. You just got to go through it and keep on keeping on is my motto. So let's get a bite of this. I know it's going to be wonderful. I didn't cut any of this lettuce up. I just tore it off in big chunks. Let's get a bite. Mouth watering. It's got my mouth shut. It's so good. Damn. Got small batch bacon. It's got all the flavors in the world in it. And I've cooked it crispy. I've cut it. You can see I cut it up in small chunks. You can fry it in whole pieces, and then cut it up, break it up. I just like getting ahead of the ball game. Chop it up and throw it in there. Dr. Bill's syrup is wonderful mixed in as a dressing. I don't know if he's ever tried that. Maybe if he watches this, he'll tell me if he's ever tried that vinaigrette with his dressing in it. He has lots of recipes on his site. Even some adult drinks using his syrup. So, well, boys and girls, kind of a short video. I had everything prepped. Just tear off, and you can just use lettuce. You can use, that doesn't really matter. Spinach, whatever you got. Just tear off some chunks, make it rustic. Put you some pecans on it if you've got any. Some good bacon, preferably Bill E's out of Fairhope, Alabama. Get a shameless a plug for him. No, it's not shameless. He's a great guy, and he's got great bacon. And of course, Dr. Bill's added the sweetness. So I'm out of here to finish my dinner. Thanks for being here. I really appreciate it. And if you know someone in your family or you or whoever is handicapped or disabled, just tell them to keep on keeping on. I've been doing this for 2 years, and it keeps me around for the next day to do another one. See y'all later.